contestants already have given what's on their mind. Let's continue with our third pair. Good evening, Angela.
Good evening, sir.
How would you want me to call you, Angela or Chris?
Chris na lang.
Chris na lang para shorter. Sir, okay lang? Okay. Would you mind if I ask you the first to pick the lucky number? Sure. Okay, transfer to that side. Kindly hold this microphone for my comfort and convenience and do the honor, please. You can shake anything you wish to. Okay, thank you. Okay. Mo malalagay. Sige. It's number 1. We have Honorable M. Legaspi Am.
Good evening. Doc, your question is, if you were given a chance to make a significant medical discovery, what do you think would that be and why? Again, if you are given a chance to make a significant medical discovery, what do you think would that be and why?
Thank you. Thank you for the difficult question.
I love that.
If I were given a chance to discover in the field of medicine, that would be a treatment for the HIV. I think HIV treatment is one of the greatest breakthroughs that we are witnessing right now. Every year, the cases, the number of patients, the number of people who died in HIV are increasing every year. For this discovery, the rise of HIV would be stopped. And everyone is happy.
Sige lang, Dok, mahulap kami, Dok. Tapos ginakunaw pa ko ng balahan naman niya. Kunaw ko na dahil lagi bala pa rin. Papupuso ka lang si Doktor. Okay ka na, Dok.
Everyone is happy for the treatment, and that's all. Thank you.
Ano tapos naman dito gali? Let's give a round of applause to gentleman number 3. Labog Fans Club si Dr. Ba. Okay, Angela, pick your lucky number, please. How tall is Angela? 5'5". Okay, you pick judge number 3. We have Dr. Mary Ann Bassett. O katulog sa music, kinahinayan mo, sir?
If you are given a chance to sit in the Congress and vote for the RH bill, what will be your stand and why?
If given a chance to sit in Congress and vote and stand for the RH bill, I would choose for it not to be passed. Because as a Catholic, I believe in the sanctity of life and that no single life should be wasted or taken away because life is a gift from God.
Pair number 3 representing the Green Team. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Dr. and Angela. And finally,